What's going on, guys? We're going to review a little trade that I personally took today, and I kind of want to call you guys out. Okay, so a lot of you guys watch my videos. Are you actually implementing the strategies that you're learning? Some of you guys who have maybe been in with me, trading with me, are you guys actually taking the time to sit and wait and allow these setups to come to you? Again, the stocks and the market needs to work for us. We don't sit here and try to chase every single move. What we do is very methodical. I have a very precise theory on supply and demand and where stocks potentially could be heading and where potentially I need to get out of the trade when there's technical damage. I want to go ahead and highlight a trade on the video that I took later on in the day. However, it took multiple hours of me sitting patiently and waiting for this trade to come. Now, on the live stream this morning, we were looking at two levels on the video. We were looking at one to the high side that was going to be over those first hour highs. That trade got confirmed, and if you look here, that first hour high was 430.30. Okay, so over that, we went ahead and we took calls into the next area of supply, which was that upper Bollinger Band, and as we broke that, just sold for a very, very quick little scalp. Now, again, we went from 430 all the way up to 432. I only took about $1 and change, maybe $1.25 off that trade. Now, the only other trade that I was realistically interested in, guys, those of you guys who were listening today to this live stream, you guys understood, and those of you guys who were in Discord, again, by the way, guys, if you guys want to get access to Discord, when I see these levels start to set up, I start punching them in Discord. Hey, NVIDIA, 422, or, this is what I'm looking at, 421.80, 421.80. That was the level that I was looking at, was a 421.80, 421.80, 421.80. And if we confirm 421.80, what was I going to do? I was going to go short. So again, if you're having trouble identifying levels, get in with some people, myself and the other traders in Evolution Traders, that can show you how this is done. Again, I have a whole video course. I do live trading. I'm able to be booked to do one-on-one live coaching sessions where we can go over this stuff in real time. Take that and use that to your advantage. I'm going to ask you a very, very serious question. If you want to make money in the markets, are you actually doing everything possible to make money in the markets? Or are you just showing up every day and trying to find what's green, what's red? Where can I get in here? Where can I short here? Should I buy long now? Do you have any idea of what's actually going on? If you don't, come work with me. What I want to show you here is these first hour lows, right? So look at these first hour lows on this opening range candle here. Look at the pre-market lows here sitting at around 422. I was actually looking at that 421.80 level, but what we're looking at here below 422, below 421.80s, did we have potential room down? The answer is yes. What were we trying to target? Very simple, guys. Take a look at the chart. I'm going to give you guys about 30 seconds here. If this is the level we were looking to have be confirmed, based on this chart, the last 2 days on the 1 hour view, where would you say we are trying to target as far as taking that profit? Okay, I'm going to give you guys a couple of seconds here. It shouldn't be that hard. We would try to be targeting the lower Bollinger Band as well as yesterday's lows. So if we take a look at yesterday's lows, look at yesterday's lows sitting down here around 418. Look at where we came down to once we broke 422. This is not rocket science, guys. A lot of you guys are trying to force too many trades in the first 10, 20, 30 minutes of the market open. You guys are not waiting for actual setups to come to you. Again, we're not like little scavengers out there trying to just go, collect a bunch of berries and put them in our mouths and save them for later. What we're doing is laying back in the weeds, okay? We're stalking our prey. We're allowing these setups to come to us, and when they do, boom, we attack. It's very simple. If you guys want access to Evolution Traders, get access to the courses, get access to one-on-one coaching, live trading, watch list, intraday technicals, the chat room, this, that, and the other. I got one spot left. The month is coming to an end. It's coming to a close. Take advantage of it. If you don't want to invest in yourself, stop watching my videos. Just stop watching my videos, because all you're going to do is consistently watch videos, watch videos, watch videos. And what's going to happen to you, and what is probably already happening to you, is information overload, information paralysis, technical analysis paralysis. Because not only are you watching me, you're probably watching this person, this person, this person, this person, this person, this person, and all you're doing is getting so confused, you're left each and every single day not making any money. If you really want to make money and you want to take this seriously, I will put you through the ringer. We will go through this trade by trade, live after live, after live, after live stream, after live trade, after daily watch list and daily watches. Book those calls. As soon as you guys come into Discord, I have a section where you guys can book out a 30-minute one-on-one coaching call. We can go over trades. We can go over strategy. If you have questions, we can talk live just like this while we're looking at the markets, whether that be in real time or after the market is closed. But if you're not willing to invest in yourself, please just do me a favor, give me a thumbs up on this video or a thumbs down and go on your way and continue to lose money or continue to spin your wheels in the mud. I only want to work with people and give information to people who are actually serious. There's too many looky-loos out there who are not really serious. They show up every day to the market, but they're just chasing every single candlestick. They have no idea of where potentially is a good spot to be long and where potentially is a good spot to be short. Should we be bouncing a dead cat, kind of run up? Should we be waiting for the shorts? Where are we at in the macro cycle? Guys, let's get serious. I mean, like if you really want to make money, let's really get serious. Okay, I'll see all of you guys on the inside. For those of you who you love to watch YouTube videos all day, give me a thumbs up or thumbs down. Leave me a comment or not. I would prefer you leave me a comment. It kind of helps out my videos. Also, I'll throw something out there, guys. I work overtime. You give me another trader on YouTube who is giving you real technical analysis, real value, real teachings that has more video uploads than I do over the past 3 years. I will wait for the answer. Check my community tab, check my history. I've been making these videos. I'm not new to this game. I've been trading for over 8.5 years. I came onto social media about 3 or 4 years ago. Guys, I have over 2,000, 2,100, 2,200. I've lost count. I do videos every single day. I'm not somebody who's looking to just throw out one particular hot trade. I get it. You're going to lose. You're going to win. There's going to be hard times. There's going to be rough times. There's going to be great times. Okay? Let's get through all of these times together. I'll see you on the inside.